Ever wonder how quickly mold and fire can wreck your home? This is gonna blow your mind. Mold and fire damage don't just mess up your property, they mess with your health and safety too. Mold exposure can cause serious respiratory issues, allergies, and even structural damage. And fire? It leaves behind smoke, soot, and toxic residue that weakens your home. This is where AWR Restoration and Cleaning steps in. Based in Kent, Washington, we specialize in fast, professional restoration services. We don't just fix homes, we restore peace of mind. Got mold? Our experts use safe and effective methods to eliminate it and protect your health. Got fire damage? We handle everything from smoke removal to full cleanup, making your home safe again. Our team is available 24/7. Because we know disaster doesn't wait. The faster we act, the less damage and stress for you. So if you're facing mold or fire damage, don't wait. Call AWR Restoration and Cleaning at 253-364-0092 or visit advancedwaterrestoration.com. Your home and health are too important to delay. AWR Restoration and Cleaning, bringing your home back to life. Don't let mold and fire win. Act now.